Good morning students, welcome to class 8. This is an IT class and the book we used for IT is Coding with Computer for class 8 and everyone have to buy this book. So today we start at chapter 1. Chapter 1 is Database Management System. The key objects of this chapter is what is a data and a database? What are the features of a database? Data types, advantages of MySQL, and what is the need of the DBMS, different types of database management systems, and MySQL. And after this chapter, we comes to know about how to show a database, how we will create a database, how we will insert records into a database, etc. So, the first thing is what is database, or before database we know what is a data. Data is a collection of alphabets or a numbers. Or we consider data is a raw facts. This what is your age, your name, your height, etc. is a data. Any image, any document, audio file or a PDF, etc. is in data. And what is a database? Database is the collection of the data, or we can say that database is an organized form of data. And for making a database we use a data management system, or we can say that we use DBMS, database management system. And today's relational database is used to access, update and search information based on the relationship of the data stored in a different tables. Tables means while creating a database, mostly we save data in the form of tables. And relational database run queries which involves multiple databases. Now, what is database management system? Database management system is a collection of programs which helps user to access database, to manipulate data, and it also helps in the representation of data. Let's take an example. An online telephone directory. Use database to store data like phone numbers, names, addresses and other contact details. Let's consider Facebook. Your Facebook account needs to store your name, your account related information, your member activities, your friends, your messages, advertisements, etc. And let's take an example of electricity service provider. It also manages a database for billing related informations, for clients related issues, etc. So what is the need of a DBMS? It is basically developed for storing the database and for the retrieval of the large amount of data. Now, the features of data in a database. First is it reduces duplicate records to be stored, and it provides data consistency and integrity. Secure, your data is also secure in a database. It provides the limited access to the authorized users, so it provides privacy. We can easily access data from database, easily recover data from the database. So these are the features which provided by a database. So this is so now you are familiar with the database and the technique we use for creating a database. Thank you.